Welcome back. You are now looking at the inside of a WordPress installation, and Amazon SES will integrate with WordPress through some of the applications we have been discussing. In particular, the server-based application Sendy does have its own integration with WordPress. For example, there are plugins created by developers. Here's one that hasn't been updated for quite a while. However, the plugin allows you to subscribe a user to your Sendy list when they register for your site. Another which will serve as a widget on your WordPress site and allow people to sign up for your Sendy list. Now, Sendy will also integrate with WordPress through the third-party application Zapier. And basically, Zapier will facilitate you being able to use your WordPress installation in order to create draft campaigns in Sendy. So in order to get access to the WordPress integrations in WordPress, you will then go back to your WordPress installation. You'll go to the Add Plugins screen, and then you'll write in the word Sendy. And then you'll see all of the plugins that will be available for you to be able to use with WordPress. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.